always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on!
Hello!
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog! Hello!
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello! Hello, friend!
Hello.
Hello!
Hello.
Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Take a look. Can you tell what it is?
It's you.
That's right. I painted a self-portrait.
Wow, it looks just like you.
Thank you.
Did you mix the pink yourself?
Yes, wanna see how?
Yes, please.
Okay, first start with some white. Then get a little bit of red and mix it in.
Look, it's turning pink.
Yeah, you mixed white and red and made pink. What are you going to call your color?
I know. I'm going to call it Pig Pink.
That's a great name.
Mr. Goose, I made pink. Can we make that the color of the day?
Hedgehog, that's a great idea. Presenting Pink.
Colors fill our world like a rainbow that's unfurled, painting earth and sky, the colors of my life. The world is filled with so many beautiful colors, like the color pink. Pink is here and there. I see it everywhere. Pink is all around, in the sky and on the ground. Bum, 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 bum.
Which poodle is pink? There it is. Pink poodle. Which dress is pink? There it is. Pink dress. Which umbrella is pink? There it is. Pink umbrella. Which yarn is pink? There it is. Pink yarn. Sensational!
I'm crunching leaves. But only pink leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Where is Lulu? When it's time to go to the library, Lulu tries to hide. I wonder why. Let's read and find out. Let's begin. Where is Lulu? Written by Mahale Mashigo, illustrated by Clyde Beach, designed by Nkosingafield Mazibuko. Lulu, it's time to go, calls Ma. Oh, no. Where is Lulu? Is she under the sofa? Is she behind the curtain?
She's under the lamp!
Where is Lulu? Is she next to the stove? Is she in the cupboard?
She's on the shelf!
Lulu, it's time to go. Where are you? Calls Ma.
She's under the bed!
There you are. I don't want to go. We have to go, says Ma. But I really like this one. I really like this one too. And this one. And this one. And this one. See, when you return books, you can borrow more. Yay! Where is Lulu now?
Holding her books!
That's right. And that's the end of the story.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called London Bridge. And look what I have in my backpack, a ukulele. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Now this time, we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hey, everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
A!
What's this letter?
X!
What's this letter?
H!
What's this letter?
K!
Now let's do it fast.
H! A! X! K! X! A! H! K! H! X! K! A! H! K! X! A!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter A!
Yes,
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
absolutely. Let's practice making the letter X. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
Ooh, I know. Let's trace letters on the dirt using the watering can.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Pig, why don't you go first?
Yeah! X.
Great!
I'll try next. X.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I want to try. X.
Nice job!
My turn. X.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
X.
Exactly. Uppercase X. And what's this letter?
X.
That's right. Lowercase x. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose! X!
I see you. Hi. Whee! Whee! oh. Goodbye.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.